Now let's get rid of the weight.
So now this is somewhat pulled out. Later I'm gonna cut this part out and weld new straight metal in here. But now let's tackle this one. This is pretty badly caved in, but let's start pulling it out. It's moving. Okay. This one. Look what we got here. This is the worst spot on the car, and actually rust wise we have an issue right in this corner, but we have this dent here and here. But first let's vacuum this stuff away from here and see where we are. Get that tent taken care of. Okay, let's vacuum again. And next we will cut off the rust. I reckon like something like from here from here, like maybe like that. Because yeah, that part is actually strong. And we will also cut off a bit of here. There is this lifting point underneath though, so yeah, this will take some time. Now we got most of the rust cleaned up, as you can see, and we have the badly rusted places cut out. All that piece is still bent, but I will get it straight. There was also some bad rust here. Okay. Now we have the rust converter doing its thing. It turns it black. Nice. Very nice. It's a new day for me. And the other evening I managed to forget my camera home, so I didn't film, but I already fixed that part. Now next we're gonna tackle this bigger piece. Now first I made a template for here. It needs to be still cut down on that side a little bit, but those dimensions will change a little when I do those in here. So I left it a little longer, so I have this piece cut out of metal. Now I'm gonna bend these parts in here. Okay. I think that needs to bend down. So yeah, we're gonna clamp that end also. Now that's pretty good. Now we have to turn it the other way around. Like that. Now that's where we are. Now we need to mark on those ridges. Now let's put this vise roughly to the right width for those. Something like that. And I'm gonna use this hammer. So that's where we are now. Now all we have to do is trim either this piece or the floor, probably the floor, and a little bit this piece from here, and then we are good to go. And we have to drill holes for the spot welds here also, and put some weld-through primer on that edge to prevent some future rust issues. But yeah, then we are good to go. So now we can take this in position and go from there. Now we got this all welded in nicely, and as we can see, the penetration is very good. So now we got this area fixed. One little repair bit done for here. Now we're just gonna put some paint on those. Another piece fabricated like so. But I'm also gonna paint it now from the inside. And now we have another piece done.
we got this welded, and the next piece going that one.
Now the inside is pretty much all done. So now this is all welded and ground down. Also put some rust converter on top of it, and also the inside turns it nice and black. So we got this patch made, also painted, and the inside, as Mike says, I could also, and that goes here like that, like so. We have some rust along this edge. See how thin it's become, and something like from here to all the way down somewhere here. What we are gonna do first is a template of the right curve.
Now I'm gonna drill the holes for the plug welds.
Okay, let's put this nice. This is now all welded and ground down. Looking nice and smooth. Now next job is this dent here. If you look at it from the top, then you can see that this light is way in, and also this trunk lead has a little bit damage here. Today I got the rear corner also sorted, banged out, and ready for the filler work, and I will also weld all those holes, because I'm not gonna use those lists here. But yeah, all good. Now I'm gonna put some more rust converter where I can, and I believe then I can drop the car and move it so I can start working on the front.